Necrophonic app review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Curious about ghost hunting apps? The entertainable app Necrophonic Zero app promises to let you communicate with the supernatural, but most people get this wrong. The cost isn't just the app price, it's about expectations, usefulness and actual value. Here's what happens. The app claims to use phoning banks, white noise, echo and reverb effects to generate potential spirit voices. Circuit. Many users say it's fun, but inconclusive. One review said, worth the bucks, fun app, you just have to spend a lot of time trying to decipher what it or they are saying. Reddit users pointed out the price tag $99 and describe it as a bit steep if it's just a gimmick. What you get: a unique entertainment app with audio effects designed to mimic paranormal communication. A low one-time cost us for iOS Android. Ability to experiment with ghost hunt style sessions. What you give up: no proven scientific evidence of authentic spiritual communication. Users found audio random, hard to decipher. The possibility of disappointment if you expect a serious tool rather than novelty. Time investment to interpret audio and the risk of paying for a novelty rather than utility. How to evaluate. 1. Decide upfront whether your interest is entertainment or serious paranormal investigation. 2. Check platform cost. See if there are additional in-app purchases. 3. Try it in a recorded environment to judge usability, sound clarity, and whether you get value. 4. Compare to free ghost hunting or FBS apps to see if the premium is justified. Most people get this wrong by assuming you'll instantly get ghost voices. Here's why. The app gives audio fragments, you interpret what you hear, and confirmation bias plays a big role. The surprising truth: while the app may be fun, it doesn't replace professional equipment or guarantee results. In conclusion, if you're curious, have spare budget and like paranormal entertainment, Necrophonic can be a fun purchase. If you expect scientific proof or strong communication, you may feel underwhelmed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more deep dives into unusual apps and what you're really paying for.